way back goes. What's up, everybody? I hope you enjoy all the videos that I'm making. If you do, give me a thumbs up. Please subscribe. Tonight, we're going to get out as many of these rivets as possible. We're going to start by using the air hammer to get all the centers out, and then we're going to come back with the air chisel, pop the tops of them off. You ready? Tell you guys real quick. As you can see from those last couple of rivets, they didn't come off as easily as the other ones did. And there's a reason why. If you look at the air chisel, when it looks flat, it looks alright. But when you look at it from the side, you can see that it's just flat. There's no edge for it to get underneath the rivet. And that's where the grinder comes in. You come in and you flatten that out.
For everything.
The panel wasn't coming off super easy as I thought it was going to be. The reason is because it's spot welded in a whole bunch of places to some sort of flange that sits underneath the window. So I'm going to have to go and take out all the windows now, and then I can get the panels up. You ever do something and end up down the rabbit hole like Wikipedia? Well, let me show you what we got going on here. So as you can see, this panel is spot welded to this flange lip, which is then riveted underneath the exterior of the bus. So I've been sitting here thinking for like 10-15 minutes on how exactly am I going to get these things off. And then I realized you have an air chisel. Duh. Alright guys, I'm not exactly sure how to approach this now. Taking the panels out I thought would be, at least these side panels would be a little bit easier. These top ones are going to be super easy. The insulation doesn't look too bad, but it's not good enough for me to be able to just say, yeah, I think I'm going to leave it. So if you guys have any thoughts or ideas on how to get these things out without totally having to take off that side rail on the outside, let me know, because if I take that rail off on the outside, I think that's just going to be super messy. So if you guys have any thoughts, any ideas, please comment below and let me know.